Happy birthday, Julia.
We miss you.
We miss you.
Tita Izzy and Tito Dwight misses you so much.
Yes.
Sige, Tito Dwight, mag-message ka muna.
Yes, Julia, our wish for you and declaration for you in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ that you will continuously grow to be a good daughter and you do not allow those bad influences to be with you and you always listen to your parents, mommy and daddy, and always remind yourself that you are loved, you are valuable, you are accepted, and you are highly favored, dear Julia. And we miss you and we hope to talk with you soon and see you soon, okay? God bless you and enjoy your special day.
Hi, Julia, our sweet pamangkin. Julia, if you still remember, no, yung mga kulitan natin with Tita Izzy.
Yeah.
We still miss you and we'll always be missing you. Ayun. And with to your friends, no, with to your you know, your new friends that you will be setting a good example to them, showing Christ-like faith, you know, and you will grow up to be a good girl, and not just a good girl, but a good example and a child of God. So we love you, we miss you, happy birthday, enjoy
Happy
your
birthday. God bless.
We miss you, Tigbinian also. God
Yes,
bless.
God bless all of you.
Happy birthday, Julia. I'm gonna sing a song, of course. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Remember that time when we played the Roblox toys with Jamin? I don't know what is my age, but I forgot. You're probably older than me that time. I don't know. I was like 6 years old, I think, or 7. And come home again. Jamin want to see you. Happy birthday. We miss you. With Jamin. Come here to the Philippines to play with us, okay? With me and Jamin, with our Roblox toys. Or let's play Roblox. Rivals or MM2. Bye. Second video. God bless you and be safe. Please celebrate your birthday here and Christmas here. Okay? Because we wanna play. Yep. You'll miss you. Please come back. Bye. Happy birthday.
Cool. Happy birthday. Tito Kevin mo to. Sana be a good girl. Laging proactive. Lagi huwag magpasaway ha sa mama at sa papa mo. Sana makabisita ako dyan sa inyo at magkita ulit tayo. Ingat ka palagi. God bless at mag-aral lang mabuti. Okay? Happy birthday ulit, Jul. Ingat!
Hi Julia, this is your Tito Ryan. Happy 10th birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Always be a good girl to your mom and dad. And always remember, Tito Ryan loves you. With Inky. Yes.
Happy birthday, Julia! Wish you all the best. Miss ka na namin. And I hope to see you soon kung makapunta kami dito. Hopefully, pero sana. Ingat kayo. Be a good girl always to your mom and dad and to your sisters. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Julia! Happy birthday, Julia! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Julia! Happy birthday, twin! Always be a good girl, ha? I love you and I miss you. Also, Ate Pia and Amber. Regards to everyone. Love you all. Happy birthday, Jul. Bye! God bless!
Happy birthday, Julia.
Belated happy birthday, Julia.
Pretty Apo Julia. Miss you, Julia.
So, ilang taon ka na, Julia? How are you now?
Kalimutan ko.
Nalimutan ng... Ilang taon ka na, Julia? Happy birthday. Be a good girl. Mami mo, daddy, ha? Huwag mo awayan si Amber. At makinig ka sa ano ni mami, daddy mo. Pakabait ka dyan. Bugay raw. Bugay.